now it is recording. See the red light? Recording. We were talking about earlier the English word take. Take a bath.
Take a bath and means I do take a shower.
And another word, go ahead.
Another word, I take my hands, take your hands, and take a picture, right?
Take a picture.
Yeah.
And another one we were talking about is the word
Take a step.
Get.
Yes. Get is get up and get on the bus.
Get on the bus, get off.
Get off the bus.
Get some ice cream.
And get to the station, get to the Busan, get to the Seoul.
Yes.
And
So sometimes, we were basically talking about how some English words have multiple meanings depending upon situations or depending on the meaning a person was trying to communicate. And it's that way in Korean also. Koreans have idioms and words that they use. It just depends on who you're talking to or what you're saying that makes the difference in the meaning of the words. Also we were talking about pronunciation of some letters. It's the same way in Korean. There's some Korean letters that the sound you're to give them depends on where they are written in the word. For example, the S sound, sometimes it sounds like a T.
yes.
If it's at the end of a syllable. Also the letter that you use for G.
Right.
But sometimes it has the sound K.
No.
Yes, like darak.
Yes, and
It's not really a hard G sound. It's I would describe it as a soft K.
yes.
K. Not K, but maybe like a K. Am I right?
Yes. K pronunciation in English K.
Sometimes, okay. Now what about, for example, in my name is spelled B-A-T-S-O-N,
S-O-N.
but the way my boss spells it in Korean, it would be the B sound, but she puts that S,
Busson.
yes, rather than Batson.
Busson.
So I asked her why do you spell it that way? Why do you not use the letter, the Korean letter that carries the T sound? I don't remember what her explanation was, but I have read online about some Korean pronunciations, and I think it had to do with where the letter is situated within a word. And there were many rules that I cannot remember, but maybe I will post a link on this video or underneath the video description to give you some idea. But my point in all of this is, it's just the same way in English. For example, the F sound, F, can be made with PH, and it can be made with GH, like in the word laugh. And F, like in photography.
Yes, photography.
Okay, there's the letter F sound, but there's also this ch sound, the CH sound.
Right?
Say it one more time.
Fi.
Ch, ch, ch.
Yes.
Ch,
Fi.
ch, ch. Okay. For example, in the word cappuccino, that ch sound is in the cc, and there's no sh there. But sometimes the ch spelling can carry an sh sound. For example, in the name Charlotte, like in Charlotte's Web.
Shower.
Yeah, but it's ch, but it carries the sh sound. So once again, the point we're making is that there are difficulties like that in every language, and English is notoriously that way, and that what makes it difficult when other students of other languages are learning it. And of course, vice versa, it's made it difficult for me and when I'm learning Korean, because I look at a sign and I see a certain spelling and I think it's supposed to carry a certain sound, but I later find out no, it carries a different sound. So in a nutshell, you have to basically just memorize the word and know what the word is, you know, sometimes, but that's my loss. Okay.